Are you a talented and compassionate dentist seeking a fulfilling career in Northeast Pennsylvania? Look no further than Century Dental Associates. We're committed to providing our patients with exceptional care and our team members with a supportive and engaging work environment. Our area is a great place to live and work, with charming towns like Scranton, Einan, West Scranton, Mount Pocono, Troop, and Factoryville. You'll have access to a variety of cultural activities and outdoor activities, as well as top-notch schools, healthcare facilities for you and your family. As a member of our team, you'll have the opportunity to work in a state-of-the-art facility alongside skilled and exceptional dental professionals. We offer a competitive salary and benefits package, as well as ongoing training development to help you grow your career. If you're passionate about dentistry and committed to providing exceptional care to your patients, we invite you to join us at Century Dental Associates. Together, we'll make a difference in the lives of our patients as well as the communities we serve.